Hi, my name is Andrew and I am here at Ace Hardware in Gardena, California. Today I'm going to show you how to rekey your door locks with the Kwikset Smart Key door lock system. This could potentially save you time and money on door locks or a locksmith. This is a very simple system and will take you just a few steps to rekey your locks with the Kwikset Smart Key door lock system. We have all wanted to make rekeying an easier process. Having keys misplaced or not returned can be such a hassle. Lost or unreturned keys can now be replaced by this system. Remember to always be sure to use the manufacturer's safety precautions, following the steps in the package by the manufacturer, and then using the rekey tool that's in the packaging, as well as using a key that is compatible with the Smart Key system. Now we will begin the steps for the Smart Key system. What you will need is the rekey tool. Next, you're going to need the key that is currently used with the lock. And lastly, you will need the key that you're going to use for this lock. So step one, with the door open, locate the key that is currently used with this door lock. Next, you're going to insert the key and turn it 90 degrees to the right. So step two, insert the Smart Key into the hole. Remove the Smart Key from the lock and remove the key that is currently in the lock. Step three, fully insert the new key and turn it 180 degrees to the left. Rotate it 90 degrees and removing the key. And now you've successfully rekeyed your door lock. Lastly, we want to double check to make sure we properly rekeyed the Smart Key system. We're going to close the door. We're going to insert the new key. We're going to lock the door. And we're going to open the door once more. And we have successfully rekeyed the Smart Key system. You should now be able to use your new key in the Kwikset Smart Key door lock system. Thank you for watching today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good day.